Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to trade CFD on Etoro, a leading online trading platform. This tutorial will walk you through the process of trading CFDs step by step, covering key concepts, practical examples, and best practices. To start trading CFDs on Etoro, you need to create an account and deposit funds. Once your account is set up, you can navigate to the trading dashboard and search for the instrument you want to trade. Etoro offers a wide range of CFDs on various assets, including stocks, indices, commodities, and currencies. When trading CFDs, it is essential to understand the concept of leverage. Leverage allows you to trade with a smaller amount of capital, but it also increases the risk of significant losses. On Etoro, you can adjust the leverage to suit your risk tolerance and trading strategy. To open a trade, select the instrument you want to trade and choose the direction of your trade, either buy or sell. You can also set the amount you want to invest in the stop loss and take profit levels. The stop loss level is the price at which your trade will be automatically closed if it moves against you, while the take profit level is the price at which your trade will be closed if it reaches your target profit. One of the key features of Etoro is its social trading platform, which allows you to follow and copy the trades of other successful traders. You can browse the profiles of top traders, view their performance, and copy their trades with just a few clicks. To manage your trades effectively, it is crucial to monitor your positions regularly and adjust your strategy as needed. You can use Etoro's built-in charts and technical analysis tools to analyze the markets and make informed trading decisions. Best practices for trading CFDs on Etoro include starting with a solid understanding of the markets and trading strategies, setting realistic goals and risk management parameters, and continuously educating yourself on trading techniques and market analysis. In conclusion, trading CFDs on Etoro can be a rewarding experience if you have the right knowledge and skills. By following this guide and practicing responsible trading habits, you can navigate the markets with confidence and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always prioritize risk management and continuous learning to maximize your trading performance.